In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sendit for Snapchat. So here I have Snapchat. What you want to do, you want to go to Sendit. You want to make sure you install this app so you can install this on an iPhone or on an Android phone. So here you want to hit allow contacts, of course. Make sure to allow it. I'm going to deny it for now, by the way, because I'm not going to use this. But if you are going to use this, make sure to accept it. So now we can select ask me anything and hit edit. We can change the font, ask me anything about me, just as an example. And then we can hit share through the Snapchat button, and there it is. Now we can basically change whatever we want. We can make a picture just like this and then place it where we want. And people can actually ask this or basically answer this question. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, see you next time. Have a good day.